Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do some Kurdish reaction, and like I always say, if you don't like me, don't watch the video. But I hope you're excited. These are actually new singers, and I'm always excited when it's new music, new singers. You know the drill. So let's give them a whirl and see what is going on. Oh wow. It sounds really pretty. Very like mystical and magical. I don't know this lady, but I hope she delivers. Oh wow. She sings pretty. She has a she has like very soft song, very soft voice. Oh, dreaming in Tenkura. Oh wow. All right. Wow, she's very pretty and she sounds beautiful. The guy too. Habu hentang hala. Oh yes, I know this song. Warne, 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 warne. I know this song. Yes, I know that song. I like that Warne Warne song. Oh. Oh wow, yes. Wow. Oh. Sorgulami Gucci, yeah, okay. I am so sorry. Like, I love to pronounce. I'm just repeating without even knowing what it means. Hey! Kisne, kisne. Girsne, girsne. Oi, girsne, girsne. Okay. Oh wow. Você viva Castima. Yes. Okay. Okay. Listen, I'm gonna be learning Kurdish with these songs, okay? Wow. Wow. Their mashup is really good. I like it. They both sing really pretty. Like, I enjoyed the collaboration. It's really good. They complement each other. That's what I'm trying to say. Yes. Wow. Wow. Amazing. I love it. I love it. Hey, yes, I 100% loved it. There you go, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have another mashup or any other singer that you guys want me to review Kurdish, let me know. I enjoyed it this very much. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, comment, you know the drill. And if you don't follow me on my Instagram, then follow me because, like, I want to be famous, okay? Bye.